Hey Julie, good morning.
Hey Shiva, good morning.
It's good to see friends after this lockdown. I am just waiting to meet our gang.
Of course, yes Shiva. I was eagerly waiting for this day. Hey Arun, good morning.
Hey Julie, good to see you.
Just now, me and Shiva was speaking about our gang. Hope, Sakti, will also come today.
Hey Sakti, we were waiting for you in the corridor. How are you doing?
I am fine. I was so eager to come to school and meet you all, so came early and I was waiting here.
Hey Arun, how did you spend your time in this lockdown, besides our online classes?
Julie, this lockdown was a long vacation for me. I started learning guitar.
Wow, that's lovely to hear. So, in our next annual day, will you play that?
Not sure whether I will be able to do that. By the way, what did you do?
I started learning different forms of painting. Hey Shiva, what did you do in this lockdown period?
I started reading books, then I started playing video games. Nowadays, I love playing video games.
Wow, that seems interesting.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, students. Come on students, it's been several months since you all came to school. So, let us hear from every one of you about what you did during the lockdown period. This can be anything, like whatever you learnt, or whatever you read. Let's start this with Shiva. Tell us about what you did.
Madam, I was reading books and playing.
Good Shiva, nice to hear that you read books. Continue students, tell me what did you do?
Madam, I learned painting, especially glass painting, and did some gardening work.
Madam, I learned chess and also read books.
Good to hear that, Sakti and Julie.
Madam, I did lot of craft items, which I learned through do-it-yourself tutorials, and I also started learning guitar.
I am so glad to see my students have well utilized their time. Sakti and Shiva, you both said you read books. What was the book you read? And what you learned from that book?
Madam, I read The Story of My Experiments with Truth by Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji begins the story of his life with descriptions of his childhood, his school days, the lessons he learned when he tried stealing, told lies, and smoked cigarettes. He also explains his unshakable devotion to his parents.
Students, The Story of My Experiments with Truth is one of the widely recommended book across the world. Every child should read this book.
जैसा कोई नहीं है अस्सी नहीं सौ दिन दुनिया घुमा है नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही
Madam, I started the book, Who Moved My Cheese, but I am yet to complete it, madam.
Students, Who Moved My Cheese is an interesting management book with good life lessons. This story is about 4 characters, 2 mice, Sniff and Scurry, and 2 little people, named Hem and Haw, living in a maze and looking for cheese to nourish them and make them happy. I strongly recommend this book to all of you students. This is an incredible story that says, just live your life and never stay on failure. I don't want to reveal the story now. All of you enjoy reading. We will discuss about it in the next class. Shiva, can you please tell the class what you learned from the story?
Madam, I started the book to read, but meanwhile, I started playing video games too, so I couldn't complete the book.
Shiva, I am surprised why you couldn't complete the small book. Students, I would insist you all to read both the books. The time you spend for reading is a well spent time. Students, next week, there is going to be module exam. This is very important exam to assess the online classes.
We have 1 week to prepare well for the exams.
Yes, Julie, 1 week should be good enough.
1 week. Time is therefore to prepare. I need to focus. Yes, Arun, that should be good. Let's all come prepared.
Hey students, where is Sam? Is he on leave?
Oh yes, we missed him. No idea, madam.
Hey Arun, where is Sam?
No clues.
Hey Shiva, do you know any details about Sam?
I have no idea, Sakti.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to like and share.